Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh, it's Rita, baby. This is a kinky Afro hair which I'll be using to do the twist for my client. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'll be showing you how to make a twist with an Afro kinky hair. First of all, I blow dry my client's hair because it was wet, and I went in and applied a treatment in her hair, then massage it in. And actually, this is what I do for mostly all my customers. They just come and massage their hair before we start braiding. It's just to get the blood to circulate. Okay, so how to make this hair? First of all, you just have to section the hair in the way you want it, then you braid down the hair like 5 times, then divide the hair into two, and then you start twisting. This is how you do it, like this. I know this part, I don't know what happened, but all you need to do is to braid the hair down 5 times, divide the hair into two, and then you twist. So this is what is giving us at the back. I like the view so far. The lines are clean, the lines are neat, they're kind of equal. And yeah, this is how you do it till you're finished braiding the hair. So guys, all you need to do is after braiding the hair is to trim the flyovers. You just have to trim them, and then you put them in hot water, which I did actually did off camera. And then I kind of braided the hair in different sections, big sections, because we want that natural coils to be at the tip. There it is. And then we add our mousse and distribute that evenly on the hair. Then I went in with my hair growth oil, which I applied in her hair, then massage it in a scalp. So guys, let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share with family and friends, and thanks for watching. Bye.